Italian tiramisu with a special recipe of mine featuring its creamy texture and a luxurious natural touch. Today we will prepare it the traditional way, but we will replace white sugar with natural honey for a richer and more delicious taste. Here are the ingredients. We need 4 fresh egg yolks, 50 milliliters of natural honey, half a kilo of mascarpone cheese, ladyfinger biscuits, and a cup of strong espresso coffee. We whisk the egg yolks with natural honey over a hot water bath for several minutes. The heat will sterilize the eggs while the honey mixes to create a thick and smooth golden foam. We remove it and let it cool completely. The luxurious mascarpone is added to the mixture of egg yolks and honey, and we gently whisk until the mixture is completely homogeneous and turns into a rich, velvety cream. Dip the biscuits in the espresso quickly and arrange them on the tray. Place the first layer of mascarpone cream and honey on top and spread it evenly, then sprinkle a rich layer of cocoa powder over it. Repeat the process with a second layer of dipped biscuits, followed by the final layer of velvety cream. Add a generous layer to cover the entire surface, matching the sweetness of honey. Then place it in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours to allow the flavors to blend and the cream to set. Luxurious and honey glazed. Try this recipe and let me know your opinion. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more innovative recipes.